Get into the spirit of spring with this simple side using the Tenderstem and only 5 ingredients. It's so good and so simple to make.
Roasting vegetables is one of my favourite ways to cook because it brings out so much natural flavour with very little effort. Today I'm making roasted Tenderstem broccoli with rosemary and balsamic red onions. To start, I'm adding red onions to the tray with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. These go in the oven for 15 minutes so they can soften and start caramelising. The balsamic adds such a gorgeous rich flavour. Once they've had a head start, I'm adding the Tenderstem broccoli to the tray along with some fresh rosemary. Quick task to get everything coated in those delicious tray juices, then back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Tenderstem broccoli is brilliant for roasting because it holds the shape so beautifully and gets these lovely crispy edges while staying perfectly tender. Tenderstem broccoli is so versatile and cooks really quickly, which is one of the reasons it's such a great side dish when you want something easy but still impressive. My family love this Tenderstem recipe as a Sunday roast side dish, but it would elevate any dish in my opinion. You're going to want to get all the juices from this tray onto this plate to maximise all that richness and flavour. Just look at all those colours, the vibrant green broccoli with those beautiful roasted onions. The Tenderstem is so tender with those slightly roasted edges, and the onions are so sweet and sticky. The balsamic and rosemary combination works so well together. So indulgent and delicious, and I just love that crunch. You have to try this recipe. Find Tenderstem in all major supermarkets this spring.